So you have leftovers from the holidays? I'm going to show you how to take those leftovers and make a breakfast skillet. We got some leftover ham, we've got some leftover stuffing, some hash browns. We're going to mix all that stuff together on the flat top, get it into a cast iron skillet, into the smoker, pick up a little bit of a smoke profile, add an egg on top of it. It's going to be delicious. My name is Rich. This is RACZ Barbecue and Grill. Let's get cooking. Okay, breakfast skillet made from nothing more than just leftovers that we have from the past holidays. I've diced up some of our leftover ham from the spiral cut video that I did last week. I'll leave a link up here if you haven't seen that one yet. Also have some stuffing, my wife's hash brown casserole that she made, Colby Jack cheese. We're going to fry up a little bit of red pepper and some minced garlic as well. So the first thing we're going to do is get the hash browns onto the flat top. Okay, a little bit of canola oil down on the flat top. Get our hash browns down. We're just going to leave these on until they brown up. They're already cooked. Spread them out, press them down a little bit, leave them sit. Over on this side, we'll get our red pepper going. And over here, a little bit more oil. And start warming up the ham. Again, we just want to get it caramelized. We don't need to cook it. It's already cooked. Spread it out to get it warmed up a little bit. Add in our minced garlic with the peppers right in the center there. Once it starts getting fragrant, then we'll mix that up. All right, we're gonna pull the ham off because we don't want to dry it out. Just wanting to brown it up a little bit. Get our garlic mixed up with the peppers. Now that our hash browns are browning up on the bottom, we're just gonna flip these over. Get the other side. Nice gentle push again. We'll let those sit for a couple more minutes. Okay, peppers and garlic are done. And our hash browns are good now. We're going to be using some small cast iron skillets. You can put this in one big skillet if you want and then portion it out from there. I've got these small ones, so I'm going to divide this up. We're going to build this in layers. So start with the hash browns on the bottom. Okay, now that we've got everything warmed up and crisped up nice on the flat top, we're going to start building these things. So like I said before, hash browns first, and then we're going to take a little bit of our stuffing that we had left over, and that'll be our next layer right on top of the hash browns. And I did not warm up the hash browns like we did the other ingredients. Again, I didn't want to dry the bread out, so they're a little bit cold still, but they'll warm up in the smoker. And now we'll add in our garlic and red peppers. We'll follow that up with some of the ham that we warmed up. And by the way, my nephews Dale and Danny made me these two awesome badges for my channel here. So do as they say, like, subscribe, share. Thank you guys, we love you. All right, so the next layer is gonna be the ham. Spread that evenly over the top. And again, this is the ham we made yesterday. It's the cherry bourbon sriracha ham. And this is the glaze that we made in that video too. So again, I'll put a link up top here. I'll also put one in the description if you guys want to go and see how I made the ham as well as the sauce. Got a little bit extra sauce left over, so we're just gonna drizzle some of that on top. And next we're just gonna press down in the center, make a little divot in each of these, not all the way down to the skillet. Just enough to hold an egg right in the middle of it. And then we'll top all that off with a little bit of Colby Jack cheese. And the final ingredient, just a little bit of fresh ground pepper. Get each of these on here. The smoker's been preheated at 300 degrees. We got the skillets in place. Let that run until we want the cheese to melt and the egg to start to set up. We want to leave the egg so the white's set up, but the yolk is still runny. As always too, don't forget, I have the recipes for everything, every video that I put together for you guys in the description below. It'll take you to my website and you can print out the recipe card, make things a little bit easier for you. Okay, the breakfast skillets have been running for about 30 minutes now. It's time to pull these things out. right, these things are done. Absolutely incredible, man. Look at that. Egg is just set up. Cheese has just started to melt. It's time to give these things a try. If you like this recipe, check out this list here. Let's dig into these things. Break up that yolk. Nice dippy eggs, as my kids like to call them. Oh, the flavor in this stuff is so good. As always, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and we'll see you next time.